secret of success is concentration. Concentrate. Kaya kung gusto mo, halimbawa, habulin ang isang tao para maging asawa mo, o isang babae, mag-concentrate ka lang doon. Sigurado kung makukuha mo yun. And the secret of concentration is silence. In other words, you have to discipline yourself. Life is nothing without discipline. You cannot hope to be top-notcher or undergraduate. Ask your undergraduates this morning. Unless you are prepared to put in the amount of work that life demands. We cannot do anything about it. That's how we find life. I wish I could tell you life is very easy, but it's not. It's all very hard work. Plus, you must be prepared for pain and for loss. Hindi naman lahat magiging matagumpay ka, hindi lahat ng beses. Meron talagang mawawala. Naikalungkot mo pero wala ka nang magagawa. That is what life is. We must be prepared for all of these eventualities. So I repeat, you already have the mental and intellectual capabilities for passing your board exams. You made the best decision in your life. You went to the Our Lady of Fatima University. Konti na lang. Para na kayo mga puto. Nakita ba ninyo kung paano ginagawa yan? That's only harina and flour and water. You put it, it's a very small piece. You put it on a tin in the bakery and then you wait overnight. Pagising mo, lumaki na siya, puto na siya. Oh, I'm talking of pandesal, pareho na rin. Kaya mga pandesal at mga puto na kayo, huwag kayong matakot. Magpasensya lang, konting panahon na lang. Ngayon, ang umakansin nyo ngayon are not philosophical yet because you're just struggling to survive in this cruel and overpopulated world. Ang una natin gagawin ngayong araw ay magpasalamat tayo. Una, magpasalamat tayo sa magulang natin at sa ating kamag-anak, yung pa-eskwela sa atin. Biro mo, ang masakripisyo nila, ang luha nila at pawis na pinatulog para lang makaabot tayo dito. Kaya all you have to do is verbalize, say, thank you. And give the mother, the father, the aunt, or the generous uncle, whoever relative, helped you and supported you during these grueling years to come and sit here today with the title of graduate. Just give them all the love you can express. You don't have to do anything material. Although, pag kumita ka na, at nabigyan mo sana ng regalo, hindi naman masama yon. O kaya matulungan mo ang mga kapatid mo, like I did. Because I'm the eldest of 7 brothers and sisters. My parents were professionals, but my parents were scrupulously honest. So we never had enough money in the family, and I had to postpone my marriage so that I could send all my brothers and sisters to college in a public university, the University of the Philippines. I had the pleasure of seeing them become lawyers and doctors and generals. One is even now a commissioner of the Commission on Higher Education. This pleasure at helping others, my money today cannot buy. So thank you, say thank you to your parents and relatives, say thank you to your teachers, especially those who inspired and supported you, who believed in you, and who know that you can make it. They will become forever part of you, whether you are conscious of it or not. So look at your teachers now. Yung mga masungit, huwag mo na lang, pasensyahin mo na. Yung mga naging tapat at mapagmahal at believe sa iyo, pasalamatan mo rin. You don't realize it now, but when you reach my age, you look back on all your teachers because you are the sum total of all the teachers you have had. You would not be the person you are today without them. And ang pinakamaganda sa mga teachers ninyo, nagtuturo ng baba ng sweldo. Ang mga politiko, dakdak ng dakdak. Wala naman natutulungan kung hindi mga sarili nila. Bisit ako kuminsan sa ibang mga politiko niya. Akala mo kung si sino, nagbabasa lang pala ng ng information or speeches that have been fed to them by professionals that they have hired. Hindi naman nag-iisip, hindi nila kaya eh. Tapos mga malisyoso pa, mga inggitero, mga sinungaling, mga papahidor, mga lasenko, meron pang drug addict. Kaya ako sa staff ko, pabayaan niyo ako. Kung gusto kong pumunta sa Fatima University sa PICC, huwag niyo akong hadlangan. Because it's necessary for my mental health. So, pumasa na kayo. Just because nagtrabaho kayo, nagpakasipag kayo, papasa na kayo. Remember, you are following the footsteps of the graduates of this university, a graduate that any university can be proud of, and that even equals, if not surpasses, the record of my own alma mater, the University of the Philippines. Biro mo, 11 na top notcher sa College of Medicine. 27 na top notcher sa College of Nursing. At yung pag-iba pa, nandito ngayon, nakaupo. After you qualify to practice your professions, the first question will be, because you are in the health profession, pupunta ba ako abroad? Marami kasi nagsasabi, huwag kang pumunta, magsilbi ka sa bayan mo. E paano ka magsilbi sa bayan mo? Una, marami na rin tayong mga healthcare professionals ngayon dito. Pangalawa, palakasan na lipunan ito, hindi ka makakuha ng trabaho, hindi ka muna kumuha ng letter of recommendation. Basta pa graduate ka, pumunta ka sa akin, bigyan kita. Ano pa? Kung may pagkakataon, pumunta ka abroad. Why not? Go ahead. Enlarge your horizons. Spread your wings. Fly out to the rest of the globe. But after that, you would have seen, simply by comparison, what a poor developing country ours is. And if you have the liberty and the capability, the aptitude to come again, come back to your country and teach us what you learned abroad. Plus, after that, mag-ambisyon ka ngayon. Mag-asawa ko. So I'll teach you how to marry the right person. Ako dahil undergraduate noon, and I was following my own rule. Concentration is the secret of success. I never had a boyfriend while I was in college. Pero palagi akong nag-date. Sabado. Dahil libre. May entertainment ka na, may tagabayad ka pa. Eventually, I fell in love with my husband, who will be my first and my last husband. Pinaka-importante noon when I met a marriage broker in Singapore because he was Indian or a national of India where they believe in pre-arranged marriages. I asked her, what is the best test when choosing a spouse? And she said, it is not